In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI-powered form using Jotform. Let's get started. First, go to the official Jotform website. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. If not, you'll need to create an account. You can sign up quickly using your Gmail or Google account. It's super easy. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the orange Create Form button. You'll now see a few options like Form, AI Agent, Workflow, and more. For this tutorial, select Form. Here you can choose to use a template, import a form, or start from scratch. I'll show you how to build one from scratch, step by step. So, click Start from Scratch. Now choose a layout. I'm going with the classic form layout for this example. Next, name your organization or form. I've named mine Tool Tutor. Once that's done, we're ready to build. Now on the left side, you'll see the Form Elements panel with three categories: Basic, Payments, and Widgets. Under Basic, you'll find things like heading, full name, email, address, and more. Let's start by adding a heading. I'm going to write, "Need help choosing the right AI tool? Let's talk." Next, I'll add a full name field, then an email field. You can also add address, paragraphs, single choice, multiple choice questions, and of course the submit button. Once your form is ready, go to the top of the screen and click Preview Form. Here you can see how your form looks on phone, tablet, or desktop. For this demo, I'll preview it on a phone and desktop. On the left-hand side, you'll see a link. This is your form's live link. Click it to view and share your form. You'll also see a Fill Form button so you can test it out yourself. And that's it. You've just created an AI-powered form with Jotform in minutes. Super simple, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart tool tutorials. Thanks for watching.